more noticeable. Squares? Okay.
Mom, one glass.
Can I put Sky on YouTube?
You should what?
What?
Huh?
That's where you're through it.
Go down onto, get on, you know how to get up 64?
Oh,
Go straight up 64 to 176. Take the left side 176 and follow it. There. Like along, you have to go all the way along, but it'll take you to, that's how we always get to the freeway. I know you guys did go first, don't you, 150 seconds?
I did a lot.
Well, either way, you can go,
straight out.
no, you don't need to go, yeah, they're all freeways you can take. You can go, you know the road, that the long road we ran up? If you get to the end of that one, take a left, go up the hill to 72nd, then take a right on 72nd, it takes you to 152nd, and follow 152nd, sometimes it's 456, the one you do. You go up 64 to 176, that's the way, we've always gone that way.
54.
52nd. 152nd.
So, 152nd to what?
Move it a little.
You take 152nd and follow it, and it'll come out to 104th, and you go to 104th.
That's the way you do it?
No, I'll cut the line. I do 176. Always on 176.
Where is it? I can find it.
It's just like when you go out here, instead of going left to King George, if you take a right, does that take you to 152nd?
Where is
You
it?
go right, that'll take down Highland Road, that takes you to 144th. You have to take a left.
Are you taking a video?
It sounds
I'm
long
taking a video.
to
Is it
get
done?
152nd.
But I mean,
Or the road that we ran up, we ran along 144th and then we came up that long road, and that's where we went off on that road.
Megan, enough.